Hi, today I'm going to show you a DIY which you can use at home for a scrub for oily skin. For that you're going to take a bowl, and to that bowl we are going to add aloe vera, say a tablespoon of, a little bit more than a tablespoon of aloe vera. We will use again not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. Sorry, even last time it was a teaspoon. Here we are going to use 2 teaspoons. Before that I used a teaspoon and a little more. And to that I'm going to add the rice powder, 1 teaspoon, and again a little more, and a pinch of salt. You can say a little bit of salt. So I'm going to take it like this, and yeah, this is a pinch of salt. Now, why did I add the pinch of salt is to help your oily skin. Of course, the aloe vera is to soothe it. The dahi is lactic acid, so which helps to cleanse your skin. And in case you have lavender oil, you can add a drop of that to the paste. Mix it and apply it to a clean face. That means you wash your face before you apply it. Leave it on for a few minutes. Then you can just give yourself a slight scrub and rinse it out. Or if you want to use it as a pack, when you apply it, leave it on for 20 minutes. When you remove it, your skin, of course, your pores are going to be much better, and it's definitely going to control the oil on your skin.